Hey everyone, I'm Jason Moore with the Saving Healthy Kids Wellness and Nutrition Department. I'm here to talk to you about the 2021 Iron Chef competition. This year, the Iron Chef goes virtual. What does that mean for you? Let's check it out. This year, the Iron Chef goes virtual. Let's take a closer look at all you need to know. In the first round, round 1, you're going to be making a brown bag lunch throwdown. You'll be creating a brown bag lunch using whatever ingredients you choose. Ingredients from your home, or if you have help in the after school program, from ingredients there. You're going to show us what you made by filming a 1 minute and 30-second video showcasing you and your creation. Videos will need to have your full name, your school's name, and your school district. That way, if your video is selected for the finals, we know who to contact. Videos will be judged on presentation, creativity and originality, and the use of the My Plate food groups. Your video needs to be submitted by the week of April 19th through April 23rd, but feel free to send it sooner. Your video will be judged, and the top 8 students will move on to the finals. Where do you send your video? Well, you can send it to fcssironchef@gmail.com. All contestants will receive an apron whether you make the top 8 or not. Let's look at if your video makes the top 8 or the final round. In the final round, you're going to be making a mean brown bag sandwich. It's the Mean Brown Bag Sandwich Smackdown. The top 8 students will compete live on Zoom. They will select items to be used on their sandwich from a provided ingredient list. That list will be emailed to you if you make the top 8. Kits will be delivered to the student's school site to be picked up by the student. The main event will take place on Zoom on Friday, May 7th. During the event, students will have 5 minutes to create their sandwich. All ingredients should be prepared prior to the 5-minute start. That way you're not wasting time on warming something up or cutting something, toasting bread, whatever it may be. Contestants will interact with judges throughout the event, answering questions and things like that. It's a time to show your personality. Contestants will be judged on presentation, creativity, and the use of 3 or more My Plate food groups. Alright, we can't wait to see all your video creations. For more information on editing videos, My Plate, and more, check out the links in the video description. Let's get cooking!